This video is going to show how to selectively nest parts for possibly recuts, or you may only want to cut some parts of the job or just certain parts in general. So to select only a few parts, we could right click, select View Parts List. In the drop down menu, we have all the different material that we have selected. And for that material, all of the parts are going to be listed. We could sort all by sheet number. We could also sort all by name. And it might be that we need to select only all of the spanners. So I've selected to uncheck all. And now with the parts being sorted by name, I can now see here are all of the spanners to be recut. Once we have those selected, select Close, then Renest. And we only have the parts for the spanners on our sheet of 3/4 inch plywood. To view all of those parts again, we could right click, View Parts List, select the material that we want to check our parts, set the option to view all parts, close the parts list, renest. All of those same parts are going to be added back in. We could also ask the PN Assist to recut all spanners, and we'll ask, and within a couple seconds we will have all of the parts renested, and it gives us a summary of what it just did. So it has just now separated and nested only the parts, and if we want to see all the parts, we could just ask it to view all the parts again. And it renests to display all of the parts across all the materials.